Hey everybody, so today I got for you this really incredible men's Hamilton watch. This is a Liberty watch. It says right here, without liberty, life is a misery. You can see it's very beautiful. The case is in really good condition, very minimal scratching. I'll take a zoomed in version of it so you can kind of see. The glass has zero cracks, chips, or scratches on it. As you can see, the dial is still beautiful. Same with the hands. It really doesn't need to be washed. Has never been serviced. Incredible piece. As you can see, it works quite well. The hand, so you can hear it. Winds as it should. It's keeping time just as it should. Show you the back of it. As you can see, it says water resistant, sapphire crystal, Swiss made. Really beautiful piece. You can see, no, this side. This side has some wear on it. I did start lotioning it, so it's starting to feel better each time I lotion it. Probably needs another little bit, but it'll get there. Here you can see it's marked Hamilton. It has the dual release. Pretty smooth release on it. Has no, like, it feels almost like brand new. It's got some markings right here for the band. Like I said, the band does have some wear on it, the leather band. It's got some cracking a little bit on the inside, right around here it does. Besides that though, really nice condition. Like I said, the crystal on the face, the glass on the face has no marks whatsoever. There's just little scuffs around here and around here that I don't know if are getting perfectly, but you can't really see them unless you're looking for them. Yeah, so this is going to be going up on eBay. I think I'm going to put it up right around 700 USD. If you're interested, you can place an offer, and you want to find it, like I said, it's on eBay, which is going to be, there's going to be a link in the description of this video if you want to be able to find it. So yeah, really appreciate you guys watching, and have a great day.